Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. I made a video a while ago about why not disconnect the battery in the car, especially in modern cars, and it seems that there are doubts about it. When is the battery disconnected in the car? The battery is disconnected to change the battery itself, logically, or when we change the alternator or the starter motor, sometimes when we manipulate the spark plugs or the wiring of the ignition coils, because it is in poor condition and can produce a short circuit. Precisely for that reason the battery is disconnected, when a short circuit can occur. That we touch a mass with a positive, for example with a wrench when loosening a nut, that is, when it is released, but to change the sensor of the shaft of cams, or the crankshaft sensor, or the map sensor, or the MAF, this is the flowmeter, or the turbo or egress solenoid valves, the battery is never disconnected. Why do we do this? So that the ECU at that time knows that you have just changed a part, and this is because if you disconnect the battery and then change that part, it can happen, as sometimes happens, that the ECU detects that it does not recognize that part when the battery is reconnected because it has been reset and the vehicle enters in emergency mode, or it may not work well, or if the immobilizer is left for a long time in the vehicle, and I tell you that it takes a long time to remove that fault with the computer. So, my advice, if you change these sensors, do it with the battery in place, which you must always try is not to touch a positive and a ground at the same time, for example with a key. Which is why the batteries are disconnected. Disconnect the battery when handling the airbags for safety, as well as when handling cables that may be bare and can cause a short circuit, so the battery is usually disconnected. In modern cars, they have already brought us a few people who are fond of mechanics and have seen in forums that advise to remove the battery, disconnect it, and then call us saying that they bring us a vehicle on the crane because a part has been changed and the car does not want to start, or it does not work well, or it is in emergency mode, etc. Well, here you have the video. If it has been useful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.